Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous royal hand mirror. And can you see how intricate and beautiful quilled work has been done on this? I will just share how the mirror looks like. And can you see how gorgeous this is? I just enjoyed making this. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I have already prepared the base using mount board for the mirror, and I will just tell all the dimensions. So the height of this oval is 13.5 centimeters. The width is 11 centimeters. Then for the handle, the dimensions are 10.5 by 3 centimeters. I have used oval shape, but you can also use circle shape, but since my mirror is having circle shape, that's why I'm using oval for the base. So this is my glass which I'm using, and the diameter of this glass is 10 centimeters, and I'm going to adhere this on base exactly in the center. Now I'm taking pink color craft paper and just wrapping the paper around the mount board using little glue. Just cutting the excess paper around this according to the size, and now I am just making small slits all around the design and sticking with the base. Similarly, complete remaining part, and after adding it will look like this. Now I am covering the other side also using the same pink color paper. I have already cut it, and I am pasting it on other side for finishing. Burnish it very well using bone folder, and our base for the mirror is ready. Now I am going to stick these two beautiful die cutouts on left and right sides. For this I have used gold mirror cardstock to make this, and I have joined two cutouts together to make it sturdy. So from back side I am just connecting these cutouts. It will peek from front little bit, and it will give very nice royal look to your mirror. It's completely optional, but it will enhance the beauty of your work. You can also use clay molds to make these kind of ornaments and stick with the base. So this is done. Now here exactly in the center I have added my circle mirror, and now to avoid it from glue and dust particles. I'm just covering it with paper circle. And now to start with first shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of pink and 1/4 strip of medium yellow, and I am making one tight coil. In this way I have already prepared some more tight coils, and I am going to adhere this all around the mirror. So this is done. Now I'm starting with the bottom part, and for this I'm taking first half strip of green color, then I'm taking half strip of medium yellow and one strip of white, and making one big tight coil dome. Add glue inside the dome. Just pinching it to make a teardrop shape. And now I'm sticking this tight coil teardrop exactly in the center. Then around this I am adding dark green color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strip of dark green. For whole project I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Like this. Now I am starting with the next shape, and for this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark pink color, and making one tight leaf shape. I am adding these leaves all around the design. Like this. Then for the next step I have added tight coil, which are made using 1/4 strip of medium yellow. Simply I have covered the edge. So this is done. Now on right side I have added the scroll design, and I will show you on the left side how to do this. So I have already prepared 3 scrolls using different colors, and if you want to learn how to make scrolls, I have given a link in description box, you can check there. So I have made these scrolls using white green combination, pink green combination and yellow green combination. These are super duper easy to make. And now first I am joining 3 scrolls together, and then I will stick with the base on left side. Like this. Allow it to dry completely. Then I'm just filling some small gaps using pink and light green color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips each. Then to fill this tiny gap, I am taking these small tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of light green color. These are so tiny, so to stick these I am using my tweezers. And I'm also adding 3 stones on top of each scroll to add little bling. And this is done. Now I am just covering the edge of our handle using 1/4 strip of light yellow and 1/4 strip of dark green tight coil. Like this. It's looking beautiful. Now exactly in the center I am adding a glue line. And I am going to add pink color tight coils here, which is made using 1/8 strip of pink color. So this is also done. Now to start with neck shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of blue and 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one tight leaf shape. I am going to add leaves on both sides of pink color line. And this is done. It's looking gorgeous. So our handle is ready. Now I'm starting with top part. So here I have prepared this tight coil which is made using half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark pink. And around this I'm going to add dark green color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of dark green. Then for the next row I am taking these tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of light yellow and 1/8 strip of blue. And in the center I am adding teardrop which is made using 1/4 strip of dark green and 1/4 strip of medium yellow. Then to start with next design I am taking half strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of white and making one bended teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly I have created 3 more teardrops which are made using 1/4 strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of white, and these 3 are made using 1/8 strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of white. So I'm just arranging it on the right side in descending order. First add larger teardrop, then just decrease the size. and in the same way I'm going to add on left side. And this is done and it's looking absolutely gorgeous, completely handmade. And backside you can keep it as it is or you can cover it with the oval shape, but it is also looking nice with golden work. And now I'm just showing you after removing the white paper how it looks, and tada, it looks gorgeous. Trust me, in real it's looking very beautiful, very royal. So in this way you can make your own mirrors using different color combinations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.